Hello, friends. It's great to have you here. Get ready to restore your energy and rev up your brain. Let's start moving. I'm Miss AP, here to help restore your energy. But before we begin, let's start our warm-up. Today we're gonna do 5 jumping jacks. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job. Now that we have warmed up our body, we are ready to exercise. Today we are going to do some lateral lunges, an exercise that uses our squat position. We begin by standing in our ready position, feet apart, hands at our side. Next, we are going to take a big step out to the side, squat down to our imaginary chair, then stand back up straight and tall. Next, we're going to switch sides. Take a big step out, squat into your imaginary chair, stand back up nice and tall. Let's try this together. Stand in your ready position, take a big step out, squat, stand up, switch sides. Stand in your ready position, big step out, squat, stand up. Let's see how many we can do together. Remember to breathe. Good job. Give yourselves a big clap, clap. Let's start our cool down. Take 2 deep breaths in. Breathe out. 1. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2. Great job. Wow, that was awesome work. You just finished a 2-minute movement snack to restore your energy. Now get ready to jump back into learning. Remember, use the exercise snack we just finished to keep moving all day long.